Now, out of the three major American sports, we've had the NFL visit the capital. NBA have both played competitive games over here to promote their sports and inspire Londoners into taking up their sports. But the third leg of the Holy Trinity is the US sport of baseball, which is yet to get itself onto our shores these days. That's not to say it isn't evident over here, as this weekend sees the start of the Sunday Hearts Baseball Club, which is the biggest pre-season baseball tournament in Britain. To tell us a little bit more, we've got Aspie Dimitrov on the phone, who's the club president. Aspie, good evening to you.
Good evening, Crofty.
It's Phil, but that'll do. Don't worry.
Oh, sorry.
It's all right. He's in Australia and I'm in London. I know who's got the best end of the deal because I've got to talk to you, which is far more pleasant. The league's getting bigger and bigger. Teams coming from as far afield as Leicester and Southampton. It's really developing.
Absolutely. The weather's getting warmer. Spring has finally arrived, and the whole baseball community is buzzing. We have 20 teams that have entered the Hearts Spring League. It's starting this weekend. It takes place in various venues, but the central venue for all the games is based in northwest London, in Hemel Hempstead.
Right.
That's the home of our club, Hearts Baseball Club. And as you mentioned, teams as far as Southampton, Leicester, Cambridge, from all around the south, coming to the London area to get ready for the new season.
So how does the league work?
Well, we're trying to do something very similar to the Florida and Arizona leagues in America. Basically, all the teams from around MLB, they go down to the warmer climes of Florida and Arizona to get ready, because baseball is a summer sport. So in our case, where is the best weather? Hemel Hempstead, of course.
Of course it is. Of course we knew that. Yes, absolutely. I think statistically that is the case. So what about the shape that baseball, the domestic baseball's in this country? I mean, is it growing? Is it healthy? Is it getting healthier?
It is growing at a really impressive pace. Over the last few years, I think we have experienced growth, something like 30 or around 30% growth year on year. I mean, just to give you an example, the Hearts Spring League, which is the event coming up this weekend, it started with 10 teams. The next year was 13, then 17. This year we've grown into 20.
Great.
Around the whole country, we have something like 60 or 70 teams in the various British leagues. So it is growing every year, and the youth leagues in particular, that's the most impressive part, that the kids, boys and girls, are really taking up the sport, and it's really promising for the future of baseball in this country.
Do you ever see a time where we may have some players who are playing, in the British leagues getting plucked up and maybe taken over to the National Baseball League in the States?
I think that we're not too far away from this. I mean, there are already players from the Great Britain national team who are playing have contracts with Major League Baseball clubs. For example, there is the Great Britain catcher Mike Nicaise. He's currently very close to getting into the first team with the New York Mets. There are various other examples, so we're very, very close to having a real big star playing in one of the big teams and making millions of dollars.
Which would help develop the sport, no doubt.
Absolutely, absolutely, and we at Hearts are particularly looking forward to how the Great Britain program develops, because we've just had fantastic news the weekend. 4 of our youth players were called up to the Great Britain national team, and they will be playing for the team in the Czech Republic, in Florida this coming year. So it's exciting news for everybody connected with our club and with Great Britain baseball.
Fantastic. How can people find out more about your club and about what's happening this weekend?
Yep, go straight to heartsbaseball.com. This is, as I mentioned, this is an adult league, but we also are running an event for the kids. Boys and girls from the age of 6 to 16 can just get down to the ballpark this Saturday from 10:30. We will provide them with all the equipment they need, and they can give baseball a go. Adults as well, it's not too late to join a club for the start of the season. Hearts Baseball is recruiting players all the time. They're getting ready for, hopefully to win some trophies. But there are other clubs around the London area as well. So go to your computers, Google your local baseball team, get involved. It's a great sport.
Absolutely, Aspie. Thanks very much for your time this evening. Pleasure to talk to you, and good luck with the weekend.